So what we have in this video is an entire blockchain specially made for metaverse gaming. The name of the blockchain is Aureal One. This is the world's first metaverse blockchain network for the next decade of gaming. Now you may be wondering, why do we need a separate blockchain for gaming or metaverse? The thing is, the gaming industry is very competitive. Users or gamers, if you are one, you would know that you want everything seamless, you want everything fluid. You don't want to wait for transactions to go through. Time, that is very important because you're here to play a game, you're here to have fun, not to wait, for transactions to process or things to go through. You want everything seamless, fluid, and currently the blockchains we have, they're not specially made for gaming. So there is a dire need for such a blockchain that will be developed and managed in a way that it provides that amazing experience for gamers. And that is a bridge because of which most of the gaming user base is not being able to port it to blockchain. But I think this is going to be a leap and a step forward in that challenge. It says with near zero gas fees and lightning fast transactions, Aureal One will power a whole new generation of games where performance matters, because if you are a gamer, you would know that it definitely does. So that is what we have in this project, and that is what we're going to talk about in this video. Make sure that you watch till the end because we also have their pre-sale for their native token. So we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk details on, how much you can benefit, how can you benefit, and so forth. So if you're interested, make sure that you watch till the end. As always, it's not a financial advice. Always do your own investigation and research before investing. I'll give you guys all the links that will be in the description. So make sure that you go to the description, you click on the links right here and right there, because we do have plenty of fake projects, fake links being put out there on the internet. Make sure that you do not fall for those. Just simply come to the description and click on the link from there. Now let's get into details. Now we have gone the introduction out of the way. We know what this project is. This is a blockchain being developed especially for gamers, especially for metaverse, so which really was needed in the industry. But other than that, we have other stuff in this project, what Aureal One is developing. So it says it is the blockchain that is built for the next generation of gaming and metaverse project. And here's why the Loom, which is the name of their native token, is your key to this revolution. First of all, we have zero gas fees, so you play more and you pay less. Pretty catchy sentence. Lightning fast transactions, because speed matters in gaming. It is built for gaming and metaverse, and you get early access. You can buy the Loom now at the best price because currently we are in the pre-sale. And as the next stage arrives, the price is increased, which is a mechanism that we are well aware of. Now, within the Aureal One ecosystem, we have two groundbreaking projects. The first one is the Dark Loom metaverse, their very own immersive metaverse where players can own, they can trade, they can build within a decentralized universe. We can talk about the features afterwards. And we also have another project called Clash of Tiles. You can actually guess by the name that is going to be a strategy game, and which it actually is. It is a strategic game where players deploy cryptocurrencies and stocks on tiles, waging real-time battles based on real-world price movements. Now, this is a very unique concept, and they have a lot of other stuff that will be coming soon. If you talk about the Dark Loom metaverse, first of all, it is a metaverse, so we know what the metaverse is. We can own land in this, and because of the blockchain, because of probably the NFT integration, we're going to have full ownership of it, and we can monetize our in-game assets, whether it's land or other stuff, and we can generate real world value. And we can also join forces with other players to shape entire cities like SimCity. So this is the concept. Pretty interesting, pretty catchy. And now that we know that it's an entire new blockchain, we know that it is possible to make it happen. Then we have the Clash of Tiles, the strategic game. It is tile-based warfare. So you conquer tiles based on real-world price movements. And we have dynamic battles. So you gain D-Loom points through strategic deployment and price tracking. And you increase your territory by earning D-Loom and expanding your empire. A lot of people are really into this, and I've seen people playing these games for years. That's how they're into it. So these two, currently we have these two projects that are already showcased, and we have a lot of more stuff that is coming in the near future. So other than being, developing this whole entire blockchain that is specifically for metaverse, for gaming, for gamers, then we also have their own metaverse, then we also have their own game, and there's much more stuff that is coming soon. This is what the blockchain offers. It offers scalability. It is optimized for gaming. It is cost efficient, and it offers instant finality, which is what users need. Like I mentioned in the start, they want everything to be fluid. Now, this is the allocation of the D-Loom tokens. So we have 65% for pre-sale, we have 15% for development, we have 10% marketing, and we have 10% liquidity. So majority of the portion will be given out in the pre-sale. That is where that is where we need to get in. Now, if we talk about the development phases or roadmap, what we have coming next is in this quarter, which is the last quarter of 2024. The launch of the pre-sale is going to happen, which already it did, which for now is a BEP20 token, but I'm not sure if in the future they will plan to change it, report it to their own blockchain. They're going to begin the development of the Aureal One blockchain. They're going to release alpha version of the Clash of Tiles in the quarter 2. And in the quarter 3, they're going to complete token swap process and launch the Loom coin, which is going to happen in quarter 3 of 2025. And by 2026, they're going to expand ecosystem with additional games and applications. But we know that the token will be out already, and that is when we'll be able to benefit, because the price right now is much lower than what it will be when it is launched, and afterwards when it starts getting traded, it starts getting listed, and we have no idea how the market is going to be like in that year. Right now it's looking absolutely amazing, so we can expect that it's going to be very huge by that time. If we talk about the pre-sale, like I said before, they're going to be in multiple phases, and current price is this is going to be the listing price, which there's a huge difference between the current price and the listing price, so we can benefit a lot just from purchasing in this in this stage of the pre-sale and benefiting from the listing price. You can select different payment methods. You can choose Ethereum, BNB, Matic, or you can use your card payment, which is pretty convenient. And this is the amount that currently has been sold out of this. And we have this amount of days and hours and minutes left before the next stage. There's going to be a 28.6% increase in the next stage, in the price in the next stage. The thing is, if you are interested in it, if you think that it is a good option and you are going to benefit, that you want to be in it, this is the right time to do it, and not afterwards. If you want to make up your mind, do it now, because that's the way that you can benefit. No one is forcing you, of course. You have to do your own investigation, you have to do your own research, and then if you feel like it's a good opportunity, then I would suggest that you get in early, get in the earlier stages, because you can, in that way, you can get a discount. So this is the entire project. This was the complete review. I'll give you guys the links that will be in the description. Like I said before, do not search it up elsewhere, because you may fall for fake links. I'll give you guys a proper link that will be in the description, so you can click that and you can whatever you decide to do afterwards, that'll be completely up to you. But yeah, all the links will be in the description, so you can get those from there. And this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.